There's a coding agent on GitHub with almost 16,000 stars, MIT licensed, shipping commits daily, built specifically to run for hours without you watching. And its own documentation says, in plain English, it is not a security sandbox. It's called Prime Agent from Prime Intellect. Quote, straight from the README, it treats context as variables and tools like recursive subagents as function calls inside a persistent REPL. End quote. In plain terms, instead of just chatting with you, it writes actual Python that spawns other copies of itself to do pieces of the work in the background while it keeps going. Here's how far alone actually goes. Quote, bounded autonomous mode continues within configured turn, token, and time budgets and can run user-defined quality gates, end quote. But they add their own caveat right after. A passed gate only checks what that gate verifies. Hitting a budget doesn't mean the task actually succeeded, and separate running agents can find each other and exchange messages directly, steering the work without you in the loop at all. So here's the sentence that actually matters, straight from their own GitHub page. Quote, Prime Agent executes model-generated Python and project commands with your user permissions. Its worker and kernel processes improve lifecycle isolation and recovery. They are not a security sandbox. End quote. Not a bug report, not a vulnerability someone found. That's the maintainers describing their own design in a warning box on their own README. 3 things worth remembering before you point this at a real repo. It runs model-generated code with your actual permissions, not a sandboxed copy. Autonomous mode has budgets, not a success guarantee. A passed gate checks its own criteria, nothing more. And agents can message each other directly, so autonomous here can mean more than one of them acting without you watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. More of this every day.